In this lesson, we are going to discuss past perfect tense, active voice, how to write, where to use, examples, exercises. Past perfect tense. Any tense can be built with subject, helping verb, verb, and rest of the sentence. For the past perfect tense, had is the helping verb with any subject. The verb is in the past participle form. I had. He, she, it, any singular, had. You, we, they, any plural, had. Verb in past participle, rest of the sentence. This is the standard structure for the past perfect tense. How to make the past participle verb from the base verb? Regular verbs by adding ed to the base verb. Cook, cooked. Play, played. Wash, washed. By adding d to the base verb. Love, loved. Type, typed. Dance, danced. By adding ied to the base verb. Study, studied. Cry, cried. Try, tried. Irregular verbs. Completely change. Write, written. Buy, bought. Sit, sat. Same as the base verb. Cut, cut. Put, put. Hit, hit. Past perfect tense. Examples. I had completed the training by last week. You had completed the training by last week. We had completed the training by last week. They had completed the training by last week. He had completed the training by last week. She had completed the training by last week. It had completed the training by last week. So, with any subject, had is the helping verb. Past perfect tense. Where to use? To show the earlier action comparing to another. I had completed homework before I went to sleep. When you came to the cinema, the movie had started. With before and after. You had called us after we left the meeting. They had joined the meeting before it ended. Indirect speech. He said he had gone to the Netherlands. She told me she had filled the application. With by the time to show completion before. By the time he invited, she had decided not to come. We had come back by last week. Past perfect tense. Exercise. Listen to the 6 sentences with each subject. I had marked the attendance before the exam. You had marked the attendance before the exam. We had marked the attendance before the exam. They had marked the attendance before the exam. He had marked the attendance before the exam. She had marked the attendance before the exam. It had marked the attendance before the exam. Comment on your own sentences. Thank you.